Today's episode is going to be on how to join this off-shoulder wrap crop top, because many people have been asking me on how to join this particular top. That is why I decided to do tutorial on it so that I can share it to you people. Then you're going to know how to join it. So after cutting it out from the pattern, this is how I cut it out. After cutting it out this way, then the next thing to do is to trim out the neck. So how to trim out the neck is to fold the back into two like this. You can see this is the back. Then you place one of the front on it this way. Like this. So that you can use that to trim out the back. The next thing to do is to load the back. And this area, it depends on the round sleeve, because this is going to be at the round sleeve. Then you can decide to join any sleeve to it. It can be a raffle sleeve. You can make a pleat around this area and put an elastic at the edge. So the next thing to do is to reduce the back with any inches of your choice. But here I'm going to use at least 3 inches to reduce the back. Don't forget it's an off shoulder. So I'm going to thread it to this area. Before then, I'm going to take the measurement of the round sleeve here. The measurement of the round sleeve I'm using here is 6 inches. With the 6 inches, but before I cut it out, I have to place the other half for the front. I have to place the other part of the front to it, like this. Can you see? Then I'll take the measurement once again. Six inches. So I'm tracing these 6 inches down here. You can see to this area. I'll trace it up there. So it's going to be like this. So by the moment I cut it out, you're going to see the shape very well. So it's going to be like this. You can see, don't forget it's an off shoulder. So this is now the front, the two front, and here is the back. So the joining starts from the, you're going to start the joining from here, after placing it like this. The joining is going to start from here. So the wideness of the shoulder, the joining depends on the wideness of the shoulder, of the measurement you are doing with. So you're going to start the joining and stop. After you stop at anywhere you want it to be. Because you can stop at here, then you take the roundness of the, you're going to see the way I'm going to sew it, and I'm going to show it to you now. Welcome to the joining section. So I'm using 1/2 inch to do the stitching. So I'll join it to this edge, 4 inches. Then I stop. I'm doing the same thing to the other edge too. So the next thing to do now is to catch the shape.